Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the payment method on Hulu. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is you have to open Hulu, then log into your website, then log into your account. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on Netflix, but the process will be same in both of them. All you have to do is just simply go to the account setting of your. Now once you're on the account page of your Hulu application, just simply go to the billing section or membership section of your Hulu account. And right over there, you will have the option of manage payment method. Just simply click on that option. Or you will have the option of change payment method or just payment methods. Click on that option. And once you're on that payment page, you will have the option of change payment method. Or you will also have the option of PayPal. So over there, just simply choose any one of the options and then complete the process by adding a new payment option. And after that, you will be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.